Hello class 2. How are you children? I hope you all are keeping well, isn't it? So children, as I have already told you in the previous class that we have already completed the syllabus of the first term and we will now give revision to whatever we have learned. Okay. And you all know that this is a book New Mulberry Part 2. Isn't it? New Mulberry Part 2. So all of you open your book, this book, and in the previous class we have given the revision of chapter, this is chapter 1, isn't it? The magic porridge pot of your book. That is the very first chapter of your book. Isn't it? I have explained you again. We have revised the chapter, the gist of the chapter, isn't it? And I have told you to learn the word meanings also. I think all of you have already learned the word meanings like cottage, ooze, porridge, then delicious, and then clutching as far as her legs could carry her, isn't it? Then large bowl full, then lace, poured. All these are the word meaning, new words. These are the new words for you, and the meaning was also given. So I think you have also learned the same. Okay, today we will revise the back exercise of this chapter. Clear? So now you open your book at page number 18. We will do the reference to context. We will do the revision of reference to context. That is RTC. And you have done in your CW copy, isn't it? See, reference to context. The first one is reference to context. You know, you will be given two lines or one line. Then on the basis of that, you will be given questions. You have to refer to the line, reflect back, and then answer the questions given below, isn't it? So see here, the first one was, one sunny morning she was walking in the woods. Okay, when she met an old man, the old lady was carrying four heavy bags from the market. So these are the lines given. You have to refer these two lines, go back to your lesson, the chapter, and you have to answer the questions. Now, on the basis of this, the question was, who was walking in the woods? In the line one, we have found that one sunny morning she was walking in the woods. Who was she referred to here? She is name of the little girl, Poppy, isn't it? So what will be your answer? Who was walking in the woods? Poppy was walking in the woods, isn't it? Likewise, number B question, what time of the day was it? So as it is mentioned in the line, one sunny morning. So what time of the day was it? It was a sunny morning. Clear? Yes. Next, how did the girl help the old lady? See, in the line given, the old lady was carrying four heavy bags home from the market. So, how did the girl help the once we read the line, that everything comes in our mind, isn't it? Whatever we have learned. So, how did the girl help the old lady? The girl helped the old lady by carrying four heavy bags of the old lady from home to the from market to home, isn't it? So she helped the old lady by carrying her bags to home, isn't it? And the bags were also very heavy. Done. So she carried the four heavy bags of the old lady, isn't it? As the lady was carrying the bags, and she felt, oh, that girl, the small girl, Poppy, felt very sad, isn't it, to see the old lady carrying such big four heavy bags. So she thought of helping the old lady by carrying her bags home. Done. Now come to number 3. See, she excitedly showed her mother what the pot could do. She excitedly showed her mother what the pot could do. So, who is she here? She is Poppy. She showed the pot to her mother, isn't it? Means Poppy showed. So what could the pot could do? What could the pot do? What could the pot do? You all know it very well. The pot could make delicious porridge, isn't it? Now, who gave Poppy the pot? How did she get the pot? Should someone gave her, isn't it? Who was she or he? She was the old lady, isn't it? So who gave Poppy the pot? The old lady gave Poppy the pot. Why? Why she has given? Because Poppy helped the old lady. So she gave, isn't it? Things are clear to you. Now, which word shows us how Poppy was feeling? Now, in the line given, which word or word shows you how Poppy was feeling? Poppy's feeling. Which word in the line? Line means here in the question. She excitedly showed her mother what the pot could do. Means excitedly. See that this is what we are doing. Page number 18. This is the artistry we are doing. Here see, she excitedly showed her mother. Okay, so here the word excitedly shows us how Poppy was feeling. Done, isn't it? So this is the revision part of reference to context, and we have already done this. Next questions, I have given you all the answer through the link. I think you have learned the answers and written it and got it corrected also. Like read, reflect, and write, isn't it? Now, fourth question was, how did the town get full of porridge? The town got full of porridge. Why? How? Because of Poppy's mother, isn't it? Poppy was not at home. She went to visit her grandmother. That time Poppy's mother felt very hungry and she wanted to have the porridge. But unfortunately, what happened? She was so hungry after eating a bowl full of porridge, she felt asleep and she forgot to ask the pot to stop cooking, isn't it? And she fell asleep on a rocking chair, isn't it? And this is how, as if you don't say that stop little pot, stop, the pot will not stop cooking because the pot was a magical pot, isn't it? We know this. So it kept on preparing porridge, and this way the town was full of porridge, isn't it? What do you think Poppy's mother felt when she woke up? And when Poppy's mother woke up, she found the whole town was full of porridge, not only her house. So, what do you think how she might have felt? I think she felt, we all will feel the same, like she must have felt very sorry for this, isn't it? But it is of no use by that time. Luckily, Poppy came back and she told the pot to stop cooking, and the pot stopped cooking porridge. Yes, right? Likewise, what did everyone do to see that porridge was not wasted? So, what did everyone do? All the people of the town, they started having the porridge for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, isn't it? So that the food should not get, porridge should not get wasted. It is not good to waste food, isn't it? Right. Now, 7C, the same question. Why it is wrong to waste food? Do you waste food? I don't think my little children waste food, isn't it? Because everything that we get, we have to earn money, we have to buy. It is very difficult to earn money. Your parents work day and night continuously, isn't it? To earn the livelihood, to give you something very good. Good food to eat, good clothes to wear, good school to study, isn't it? So it is not good to waste food because you have to earn. You need to put labor, then only someone will give us money, then only we can buy food. And one more thing, there are so many people in this world who are so poor that they cannot eat food properly. isn't it? So it is not good to waste food, right? Okay, this is how we have completed this part. Poppy helped the old lady. What are something that you can do to help the older people? So it is up to you. Answer may vary. I told you this beforehand also, isn't it? So we'll do up to this now. For this class, we will wind up here. So take care of your health. Stay safe. Be happy. Thank you.